Welcome to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel. Hosts Kimmi and Jeff Nunnally, along with Alexis Franklin, share expert insights to help you launch and grow a successful mobile notary business, no matter what state you are commissioned in. Learn how to become a top-notch loan signing agent and get answers to common notary questions. Explore our all-inclusive $47 monthly training library, plus live weekly online coaching sessions with courses on general notary work, wedding efficient services, remote online notary, ink fingerprinting, apostille, translation services, and I-9 completion. So please remember that Notary Educators LLC is your one-stop shop for notary training. Now sit back and watch Kimmi and crew, and don't forget to subscribe to the Notary Educators with Kimmi YouTube channel for more tips. Take your notary business to new heights.
We're not doing anything controversial. We're not doing anything to kind of raise an eyebrow. People be like, what she mean by that? No, this is business. If you want to eat off of this and you want this to be real life, we're not doing all that kind of stuff, okay? We're just not. We're going to run a business. We're going to be mature, and we're going to, you know what I'm saying? So I'm not saying anything about you, Jasmine, but I'm just saying, I know this is just conversation here, but I have to just clear it up as an educator. You know, I have to make sure that people know, no, we're not doing that. We are running businesses, okay? And I don't play about my business. Y'all see that. I don't play about it here. I don't play about it in training. I don't play about it with my clients. I just don't. PBL says Doug does notary. I kind of like that. Doug does notary. I kind of like that. Little spin. That's kind of cute. I like that. That's a good idea. Think about it, though. I wouldn't just go with the first thing someone's saying here. The notary down south says, try a search for business names with a generator. You can try that too. Chat GPT will give you a dozen names. Let me see right quick while I'm sitting here. Hold on. I'm going to do Chat GPT and just put in, let's see, Chat GPT. Let's say, give me 5 business names with the name. Let me put notary business because you got to be specific. Notary business names with Douglas in it. Let's see. All right. Okay. Now here we go. So this might be a obvious one. I'm gonna just read them to you, and then you can go for it. Okay. We got Douglas Notary Services, Premier Notary by Douglas, Douglas Mobile Notary, Douglas Document Solutions, Notary Pros of Douglas, Douglas Notary Services, Premier Notary by Douglas. This is kind of repetitive. Douglas Signature Solutions, the Douglas Notary Company. Oh, that's cute. The Douglas Notary CO.com. I like that one. The Douglas Notary CO.com. Douglas Document Specialist. I like that too. So Douglas, we ain't playing with you. Next time I see you, you need to have a name, please. Today is Tuesday. No, today is Wednesday. Right? Today is Wednesday. Please have us a name by Friday. Please put something in that chat. Let's go back. So I gave you 10 names, Douglas. Mel Money. Hey, says, hey, Miss Kimmi, notary from Florida, pretty soon be a notary from Pennsylvania. Oh, you're relocating? Okay, cool. Congratulations. So you got to go from the south to the north, huh? But the snow is following you no matter where you go nowadays, so you can't run from it. You cannot run. You can hide. You can try. But, I mean, we never thought we would see the kind of snow we've been seeing here in Georgia. This is crazy. 2 times. Two times now. So all things notary, guys, check out notaryeducatorsllc.com. I am in the process of creating a couple things. I will be rolling that out soon. I know you're going to love it because I do. And that's all I got for you. I will answer some of your questions for the next 12 minutes. So what else do we have? Any other questions that we have? So Douglas, I gave you 10 names. Some of them were a little same, but it's cool. Sayla, what's up? I want to thank you, Miss Kimmi. You have truly helped my journey. I'm hopefully one day we'll be able to get the mentorship. Oh, you're so welcome. You are so welcome. What's up, Shay Bay? Hey, Kimmi, I enjoyed the class last night. Sharon. Hey, Sharon. Oh, that's you, Shay Bay. Oh, I love that. Remember, I didn't know that was you, though. Thank you, Sharon. Thank you. So, did you understand now how you can do a certified copy in the state of Michigan? You understand that a little bit better, Hope? PBL says, anyone from Louisiana, the notary exam here is different. Yes, Louisiana is a little bit different. Louisiana and California are my two people that's like, woo, because you guys can do a little bit of everything else in Louisiana too that other notaries cannot do. So I would say really just do your homework. I did write a book for Louisiana, but it's more on how to become a notary. It doesn't cover how to pass the exam because I haven't actually taken it, so I don't have any tips for you on that. But I would definitely Google it, put it in ChatGPT. Yeah, they don't play in Louisiana. How you doing with that snow down there too? Let's see what we got. Shay Bay. PBL says, anyone from Louisiana? Okay, we just said that. Oh, I'm so glad, Shay Bay. I'm so glad you understand it. Yeah, so because you was leaving yourself money on the table by not knowing how to process that. Because you will get those requests, okay? Any tips for apostille courier? I would, okay, so I'm gonna tell you this. When it comes to being an apostille courier, I'm gonna be an apostille courier, but I'm also gonna learn how to do apostilles, okay? Because you'll find it's not as much money in the courier space. It can be depending on where you're located, how far you are from the Secretary of State. But you also want to learn how to actually process them. So tips for a courier, I would put it on my Google page that I am a courier. I would write under like a caption under the product services on there some kind of way what a courier is. Under your Q&A section, maybe put that question to what is an apostille courier, and put that you do offer that service. So that's the first thing I would do. Networking with other notaries in Facebook groups. Hey, I'm in Atlanta. I'm 30 minutes from the Secretary of State. If anybody ever needs me, is another way. And then also learn how to actually do them. Okay? Do them yourself. That's what I would tell you. Let's see. Yeah, the exam is 5 hours in New Orleans, in Louisiana. Mail Money 808 says, do you know how to become a notary in Pennsylvania? I know I have to pass an exam. Yeah, so I would say for Pennsylvania, again, the same thing with Louisiana. If you're concerned about passing the exam, you may want to start out with Notarize Like a Pro so you can have an idea what notary life is like, the work, acknowledgement of jurat, what these things are. That's what I teach you. Because if you have no concept of notary, can you pass a notary exam? Probably. But the Notarize Like a Pro, it doesn't matter where you are. If you're just starting out and you want to pass an exam, it should help you. Because I go over your basic notarial duties, right? So you may be able to find a video for your state. I'll tell you to do that too. Because for like where I live in Georgia, there's a nice video from Gwinnett County that you can take. And that covers things that I need to know to pass the test, which it wasn't a requirement back when I started, but it is now. It's a $10. But I took the test anyway, even though it wasn't a requirement. I paid $10. I took the test. I'm that person. But now it's required. So if you just don't know anything about the notary space, the Notarize Like a Pro is an excellent course still to get you prepared on how to pass the exam, to know the difference between an acknowledgement, to know what verbiage you're looking for with a jurat, you know? So that's what I would recommend. Other than that, just Google, okay? Excuse me. PBL says the snow was absolutely beautiful still on the ground. I know. I got a friend in New Orleans. She sent me pictures and just having a good old time. Sailor says, yes, ma'am. Mom, AV, I use practice sheets. Yes. Yeah, you can use practice sheets too. Mail Money, thank you. Miss Day Plus says, hello, everyone. So I see we have a few new people. If you have a question, go ahead and ask it. If you're here for tonight's topic, go back and watch it from the beginning. It was actually an excellent topic tonight. What other questions do we have? What other questions do we have? Because I'm here in person. I want to make sure I get your questions.